Here's an image from the KSHB 41 Weather Center. My goodness, it was -9 at KCI. The old record was -6 in 1935. It was -14 in Lawrence, -11 in Leavenworth, and in Atchison, -10 in Maryville, -12 in Bethany, -11 in Milan, -2 in Clinton. It looks like that was the warmest temperature. The good news is this is the coldest night for a while because the Arctic air is exiting. Let's take a look at this here. Here is this afternoon. There goes the Arctic air into Canada and all the way up into the Arctic again. Arctic air going back to the Arctic on Friday. Now, even though it's going back up there, it's not going to be warm, just warmer. And if you notice these little lobes of colder air coming in for the rest of the week and into the weekend, average cold is what we'll be dealing with. And then if you look on AFC Championship Sunday here, warmer to the south. They've been melting all that snow down to the south. I'll talk about that in a second. And average cold to our north. Well, a storm's trying to form, but I think it'll be south of us, so I think it looks dry for the Sunday AFC Championship game. And then after that, we go into next week. There are signs of a little more permanent warmth. Not permanent, but at least warmer and more than just one day. We could make a run at 50 next week for a few days before the pattern gets a little more active. But you can see there warmer air all the way back up into Canada. The Arctic air is rebuilding up there. I don't think we're done with Arctic air for the winter, but at least we're done with it for a while. So the forecast for today will be in the teens, and tonight it may actually warm up to 20. However, the wind's going to pick up out of the south, 15 to 30, so the wind chill is still going to be pretty cold. It's going to be a pretty cold south wind, but at least temperatures are going in the right direction on Wednesday into the 30s, but that front comes through, and Thursday we're back into the 20s again, and I'll show you here in a second. We might have a few snow showers with that, but we don't expect any accumulation. It's a historic storm down there. I mean, it's not only the winter storm warning, the first ever blizzard warning on the Gulf Coast. They're in the southeast corner of Texas and southwest Louisiana. Unbelievable. And here is the radar as of midnight to about early Tuesday morning to about noon here on Tuesday. And you can see snow into the Gulf of Mexico with ice being reported on the Gulf there. But it's hard to get freezing rain on the Gulf of Mexico because it is water's warmer. There's nothing really to freeze. I guess ships could have ice on them. Pretty amazing there as the heavy snow moving through New Orleans. It'll be ending this evening. How much has fallen so far? These are radar estimates, but 3 to 5 inches around Houston, around 5 inches in New Orleans, and still snowing. Keep in mind, before today, the biggest snowstorm in Houston's history, 3 inches. January 22nd, 1940, and February 12th, 1960. And in New Orleans, the biggest was 2.7 inches on New Year's Eve, 1963. So, wow, this is no doubt a historic snowstorm. But by evening, it will be moving off into northern Florida, Jacksonville. I don't know what the record is there. They may get ice and some snow, so what a mess. For us, as I talked about, we'll get some snow showers around here Wednesday and into Thursday. I don't expect any accumulation. I suppose some areas could get dusted white, but it's just not going to be a big deal. But if it's dusted white, it's slick. Keep that in mind, but that would be just in a few spots. Then we go into the weekend. On Saturday, it'll try to warm up, but a front comes through, dry, and a lot of clouds around, and so probably still stuck in the 30s. And then for the game on Sunday, a storm is trying to form. As you can see, rain and thunderstorms in the south, some snow in the Tennessee Valley, even a white dot around here. There could be a few flurries, but overall for the game, mostly cloudy and 25 to 35 degrees. As we take a look at the forecast for today, 17 at 3, down to 13 at 7, but back up to 17 at midnight and 20 by morning, but kind of deceiving the warm-up because the wind will be out of the south, 15 to 25 and gusty, keeping those wind chills around 0, give or take 5 degrees. So on the Super 10-day forecast, here we have 17 today. It's the coldest day of the next 10. 34 Wednesday, the snow showers maybe into Thursday in the 20s. 30s over the weekend, a little chilly for the game, but warmer than last week. Then, look at that, sunshine and making a run at 50 at the end of next week. After the 10-day period, it looks like it could get a little more active with storm systems with rain and snow, so maybe some ice as well. It's going to get more active as we go into February. Have a great rest of your day and week ahead. Stay warm, stay healthy. Go Chiefs.